our 1/6 container pans for our sandwich prep tables. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 6 1/4 inches, a depth of 7 inches, and a height of 4 inches tall. Coming to the inside, the interior dimensions, we have 5 1/4 inches in length, 5 3/4 inches in depth, by 4 inches in height. This can be used for any of the sandwich prep tables that we sell through Cooler Depot, and each pan are NSF certified. Coming to the side of the pan will be indicators in liters. Half will be the least, with 1 being the maximum. Coming to the bottom, we have 50 to 16 ounces. Middle, we have 10 to 32 ounces, and a maximum 1.5 to 48 ounces. These can be purchased directly from our website, and again, can be used of any of these sandwich prep tables that we sell. For all questions, give us a call, or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.